Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to fix TikTok not uploading in HD. So to do that, let's head over to our TikTok application first. Once you are there, just head over to this plus icon and tap. I'm just posting this one. Tap on next, and here you will find more options. So tap on more options, and here you will find any option of HD. As you can see, in my country it is not available to enable the HD option in here, so I don't have that. But if in your country it is available in here, and must be you'll see it in here. So if you get it, you can just turn it on and then just post it in HD. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.